What's up, guys?
We're back for today's vlog.
We're eating shabu-shabu here at Tajimaya.
It's a Tabehoday style restaurant and we picked the beef set.
Let's see how good it
At
is.
kung gutom kayo, good luck.
Ito nga, papasok na nga kami nito and grabe yung amoy.
It smells so good.
They brought us to our table. Grabe talaga. The moment we walk in, the ambience was so nice, relaxing, and the vibes was
so classy talaga.
and syempre, hindi mawawalan nakakagutom.
I'm so lucky talaga.
Yung family kasi ni Piatti, masasabi kong foodie lovers talaga sila. So, I'm belong. Yung soup pala na in-order namin is dalawang klase yan. Yung Chinese soup, yung sobrang anghang kasi yun yung gusto nila. And then, the sukiyaki kasi isa yun sa masarap.
As you can see naman,
Itsura pa lang niya, nakakagutom na, di ba? Yung mother ni Piatti at saka yung tita niya yung nagluluto. And syempre, Disney princess tayo today. Proud yarn.
while it's boiling, smells so good, yummy, everything. Parang lahat gusto kong kainin.
Alam niyo ba, it's our second time na namin kumain dito.
The first time was
mother lang ni Piatti saka yung tita niya yung nag-visit here.
And ito na nga yung second time yung kasama na yung brother ni Piatti saka pamangkin niya.
Mataba talaga ako nito pag araw-araw sila ang kasama ko.
Check this out! Piatti show you this first bite.
Yummy.
Favorite food ko talaga ang shabu-shabu and then yakiniku.
I love putting noodles. Yung pansit canton niya, masarap. Naparami nga yung kain ko dun sa canton kesa dun sa
We
meat.
just more adding meat and veggies. I think it's 5 times na naming order to. Grabe naman yung ganyang texture. Diba? Ididip mo lang. Tapos yan, charan, luto
Ang
na
ganda
yan.
ng pagkahiwa, no?
Very thin at saka good for hot pot.
Napadami talaga yung kain namin dyan. As in, sobrang busog kung busog. Yung iba hindi na makalakad. Lalo na ako, kasi ako yung last.
Ako talaga yung last umubos. Nag-order pa ako ng, I think 3 times pa ako nag-order ng beef.
And syempre, hindi rin mawawala sa akin yung dessert.
They also have a dessert ha, yung ice cream. I love ice cream.
And that's our shabu-shabu experience here at Tajimaya.
And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!